Town Pharmacy, the friendly pharmacy, has served the people of the area for over 50 years. Our customers are really important to us, and we consider them as friends. We have a special welcome for new mums and their babies, as well as the huge range of baby care products. Our team is on hand to offer advice, and we have a midwife here fortnightly to help with any problems or concerns. We can be your first port of call for medical advice or health screening, whether you're feeling unwell or just want to prevent illness. And if you need to see a doctor, we'll advise you of that too. You may like to check out our large range of skincare products as well as gifts, and try out our new photo book machine to record those special memories in your own book.